Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we got for roads around here. So I'm driving tonight and it's raining, which we don't get a whole lot of here in Colorado, but we do get enough where they should paint with stripes that you can actually see in the rain. Now, this is going to sound like an old man, but I remember when I first started driving and they would paint the lines on thick so that they were raised up off of the road and they had reflective properties to the paint so you could see them in the rain unless it was a torrential downpour. Now, if there is the slightest bit of water on the road, you cannot see a single one of the lines on any of the roads here. Concrete, asphalt, it doesn't matter. So weird how that we went from something that was better to something that you can't see in the snow or wet roads from rain. So pretty interesting, but we just drive by Braille here in Colorado whenever the roads are wet or it's raining outside. So you gotta take it even more slow than you normally could because you don't know what lane you're in, and your fellow driver next to you doesn't know what lane they're in. So it's a pretty interesting mess around here.